Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Miranda, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, here with a plan with me for the week of January 8th through the 14th, and I'm going to be using my Sugar and Spice Catch-All Planner. So as I always begin with taking my pages out, if you notice here, there's my weekly meal plan from the Daydreamer series. And let me remove this little paper clip. Put that there. Okay. If you notice, I have several things pre-planned on here. I have pre-selected a few things. Let me share that with you. All right, so just moving this planner out of the way. All right. Let's make sure that's nice and lined up and in frame. Perfecto. So I'm going to be using stickers from the Daydreamer sticker book, the Tiny sticker book, the Productivity sticker book, and I forgot to grab it, but I'm also going to be using stickers from the Faith, the regular size Faith planner. I'm sorry, the regular size Faith sticker book. So the Faith sticker book. And as you can see, I haven't put my bands on my new stickers, but I will. Okay, I also have some things pre-planned here, so I can also notate those as we go along. I'm just notating the days that I actually have to go into the office. So and I'm putting it a little further down because, as y'all know, I'm addicted to washi, so I'm definitely going to use washi in the spread. And even though Daydreamer has rose gold, I'm just using regular gold in this spread. So I got lavender, and let us try. Feel like there's pink. Or maybe, I don't know if I want to put pink. I'll use green because I know Daydreamer also has green. So Tuesday. All right. So we'll start with those. All right. Yeah. Definitely not whiting anything out. I shouldn't. I mean, I specifically chose this planner because the lines were thin, and if I wanted to, I could certainly not have to use white out. So I'm gonna let this planner act on its intended purpose. And I'm just gonna take these and move these all down so they're out of the way. I don't wanna lay them on here because my mind is bad and I don't wanna forget any plans. So since I have really stepped up the things that I'm doing within the planner community, I have been neglecting like all my shows. And I'm not gonna say the planner community, I'm gonna say, since I have been serious about my getting my YouTube channel up and running and posting my spreads and things on Instagram, like I've neglected my shows. And you know, I keep thinking like, let me see how I can say this, and I hope it doesn't offend anyone. I live just a very simple, normal life, like a very normal person, right? So I kind of like the Ratchet TV a little bit, and it often surprises people, but I just can't help it. I cannot help it at all. I try not to like it. I really do try not to like it. But guess what? I do, so I'm not gonna pretend. I do. Like the Ratchet TV. So I like all of the Love and Hip Hops. I haven't been able to watch the new Love and Hip Hop, and I certainly want to. Let's see what kind of checklist I can grab from this productivity book, which is what I was trying to do. I know they have gorgeous lavender one that I want to use for Wednesday, because on Wednesdays I have a lot going on. So let me get this. All right, so Wednesday. I most certainly need this whole entire sticker on Wednesday. Okay. It's here because I have a planner meetup to go to on Saturday afternoon. So I will put that there. Monday night, I'm getting into some TV. Ratchet TV, that is. And everybody's talking about Grownish and Blackish. And I haven't watched those shows, so I'm definitely going to make sure that I get to watch both. Okay. I like it. Simple yet chic. All right, so let's finish up our plan here. I selected a couple of pens. I have my Papermates, and these are medium. And I also have my black Tool and Fine. And then for these TV stickers, I'm going to use my Sharpie. Okay, so I'm just writing my plans in for the week. So over here, I just use my tool. And this is my habit tracker. And this is for my daily text. And BR, which stands for Bible reading. I want to make sure I'm doing that. All right. Then for this day, I do believe I have to be at work by 7. This pen doesn't actually match that well, but it's okay. Work at MC. And then here, gonna be here 8:30. Work at CNC. So 8:30. Work at CNC. Okay. That's those. All right, so these I'm putting catch up on my shows. Catch up on shows. Catch up on shows. All right. Okay. Just adding my plans. 12:15 meeting. And just when I didn't think I was gonna need my handy dandy whiteout, I need it. I mean, it really doesn't matter if you scribble out on your planner or whatever, but I just don't want to when I have this handy dandy clickety click. So, meeting. Next weekend, I feel like I'm gonna be really busy. Here, 3 o'clock to 6 p.m. Baby shower. And that's what I got going on here. Here, what time was my meetup? Okay, I still have my cheat sheets over here, so I want to make sure. It's 2 to 5. So we have a meetup here with Black Women Who Plan and Create, and this is at 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. All right. This is gonna be pick up grocery and shop for baby shower gift. 9 a.m. letter writing. Ministry. Okay. And that's just a do. This is a meal prep. Meal plan, not prep. Okay. So here, all the things I have to get done. Really, my chores are gonna be, I have to get my laundry done. That's what this little cluster is for. And bathrooms. My laundry, my bathrooms. Some decluttering. And I'm going to dust and mop. All right, change sheets. I normally do that on Wednesdays anyway, but I just wanted to be a little bit more specific with all the things that I have to get done. So this is my week, next week, and these are my plans after the pen. I'm gonna leave this open, but I know that this will quickly fill in. I do want to try to make this baby something with my Cricut, but I don't know if I'm going to have time. So, all right. There you have it, people. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me, and you see how you can just take your plans and put it down. Now, let's check things off of our list next week. Let me know, are you a person that just plans and just gets it done and don't check it off your list, or is it liberating? Because for me, it's very liberating when I check things off my list. All right, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. Again, if you do enjoy my videos, please give me the thumbs up, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Ciao, Bellas.